Morning everyone. New week, new maths, moving on from last week, and we're really getting into the nitty gritty of year 6 maths here. You're going to need your thinking caps on today. I'm not telling you what the next step is in our learning, we're going to find out as we go through. But I can tell you it was so tricky thinking about teaching this that when I started I had 1.5 bottles of Prosecco in my fridge. It was Friday, it's okay, I wasn't teaching you. And by the end of planning it, I had drunk 2/3 of a bottle. How much did I have left? Right, we can subtract a proper fraction from a mixed number. Easy peasy, let's go. Okay, so we've got 1, there's our whole. There's our 1.5, and we're going to subtract our 2/3. So really what we're doing is we're going to focus on that bit. Okay, so easy so far. We've got 1, and we are going to add on. We're going to find our common denominators here. So I'm going to convert that into 3, 6 minus 4, 6. Okay, stop. You might be collaborating and listening, but what are you noticing here? So we're focusing on this bit, and I can see a problem. I hope you can too. We are trying to subtract 4/6 from 3/6. Now I know if I've got 3 bananas, I cannot take 4 bananas away. If I've got £3, I cannot give you £4. So we've got a problem. But we know how to address this, because if we were doing column subtraction, say, and let's just jot 1 at the side. If I was doing 21 minus 8, I've got the same problem really. I haven't got enough 1s to subtract. So in this case, I would exchange a 10 for 10 1s. Now it's not column subtraction, but it's the same theory. We haven't got enough 6ths here, but we have got a bigger unit. We've got a whole, and we could convert this into 6ths. So we've got enough. So we know that 1 whole is 6/6. So if I convert that 1 into 6/6, I'm going to have 6/6 plus 3/6 minus 4/6. Well, 6 plus 3 is 9. Take away 4 is 5/6. Okay, so what we are doing is we are subtracting proper fractions from mixed numbers again, but we're going across the whole. We have to do some regrouping or some exchanging. We have to convert a whole number into fractions so that we can subtract our final number. I'm going to do a couple more examples today of this because it can be tricky to get your head round. So let's have a look at another one. I'm going to do 2 1/3 minus 3/4. So we can start off as normal. 2 plus, and I'm going to quickly do the conversions in my head. You might still need to jot them down, or you might be able to do them in your head. I'm going to use 12ths, so I know that's 4/12 minus 9/12. Uh-oh, here's our problem again. 4 minus 9, it's not going to happen. Right, so I'm going to regroup only one of these. I've got 2, but I'm only going to regroup 1, same as I did here. Okay, so that will leave me with 1 whole plus. Now we're working in 12ths, so I'm going to change my other whole, because I had 2 and I've got 1, into 12/12 plus 4/12 minus 9/12 exactly the same as there. So we've got 1 whole, 2 wholes, 4 twelfths and 9 twelfths. So we've now got 1, and 12 plus 4 is 16, minus 9 is 7. 1 and 7 twelfths. So you've seen it where we regroup the only whole, and also where we regroup one of our wholes where we start off with 2. So we've still got 2 wholes and our proper fractions. I'm going to do one more just so you get a really good feel for how you need to do these. They are trickier than a lot of the work that we've done. If you can do this, you can do anything, and I know you can do this, so you can all do anything. Okay, last one, I'm going to say 3 1/4 minus 5/6. Okay, you might want to pause me and have a little go at this one first, and then see if you've got it right. Okay? Right. If you've paused, you can come back to me now if you've done it. So I'm going to have 3 plus, I am going to use a common denominator of 12 here. So I've got 3 twelfths minus 10 twelfths. There's my problem. So I'm going to exchange one of these for some twelfths. So I'll have 2 plus 12 twelfths, there's my 3, plus 3 twelfths minus 10 twelfths. So I'm going to have 2, and I've got 12 plus 3, they're all 12s. 12 plus 3 is 15, minus 10 is 5 twelfths. Okay, I hope that makes sense to you. If you've got any problems, message me as usual and I will help you. There's some extra practice for this as a game you can play. If you can rope someone in to play a game with you, there's a lovely game in the Fraction Practice Book 2 in the Files section on Teams, just to help you have a little bit of practice with this, but with a bit of competition as well. So I'll pop that into the assignment so you know which one it is. As I said, any problems, let me know. Good luck. You can do this, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.